In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert a date to text in Excel. This is a simple task, but it is useful when you want dates to look a specific way. To begin, look at your spreadsheet and locate the column that contains your raw dates. In this example, your raw date is in cell A2. Next to it, in cell B2, you are going to create a text version. Click cell B2 now and take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the empty cell where the output text will appear. You should see cell B2 highlighted and the cursor is ready for input. Once cell B2 is selected, you will use Excel's text function. Type =text A2 mimddyyy into the formula bar. As you do this, notice that the function takes the date from A2 and converts it into a text string. The format inside the quotation marks, mimddyyy, tells Excel exactly what you want to see. Mim becomes the full month name, dd becomes the day with 2 digits, and YY becomes the full year. The comma and space between them ensure the output has a natural readable style like January 15th, 2024. After you enter the formula, press enter on your keyboard. This step matters because it tells Excel to calculate the formula immediately. When the calculation is done, you will see a result in cell B2 that looks like a date, but it is actually text. Take a second to compare it to the original date in cell A2. The original value may be stored as a real date type, while the new value in B2 is stored as text and displays in your chosen format. Now that you have the first converted value, you can copy the formula down the rest of the column. To do that, hover over the bottom right corner of cell B2. Excel will show the fill handle there. When you see the fill handle, you know Excel is ready to copy the formula to adjacent cells. This is a quick and reliable way to apply the same formatting to multiple rows without retyping the formula each time. Next, double-click the black cross, which is the fill handle. This instructs Excel to fill the formula down the column automatically based on the data it detects to the left, such as the dates in column A. Watch column B as the text results appear for each row. If there are many rows, this can save a lot of time and reduces the chance of making mistakes. Once all the text conversions are generated, you will copy them as values. Press Ctrl+C to copy the newly generated text dates. You can see the selection outline change as the copied cells are highlighted. At this point, you have the text results ready in your clipboard. Now you are going to paste them in a way that locks in the displayed text. Right-click the selection and choose the values icon under Paste Options. This step is important because it replaces the formulas with their results. After this, your column B will contain plain text values rather than text function formulas, which is usually what people want when formatting is finalized. After you complete the paste as values, the converted dates should remain exactly as they appear now, and they will not change if anything happens to the original formatting or the source date cells. You can scroll through a few rows to confirm that the output looks consistent across the entire column. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.